strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, cherries.
Hello everyone! Are you ready to draw? Let's start. Today we are gonna draw healthy fruits. Please try to draw with me. It's very interesting. First I am drawing strawberry. Strawberry. And I am drawing a banana. There is an apple. Here is a grapes. Now I am drawing a slice of watermelon. And cherries. Let's start coloring. Green color. Yellow. Red color. I love fruits so much. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Brown color. Yellow color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Brown. Green. Red. Green. Purple. Green. Red. Red. Green. I love food so much. It's done. Wow! Looks amazing. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Strawberry. Banana. Apple. Grapes. A slice of watermelon.